Communicate before people start guessing. Good morning, team. The moment communications get quiet, assumptions get loud. In consulting, silence is rarely neutral. When communication slows down and becomes unclear, people start filling in the blanks on their own. Clients start wondering, leaders start speculating, team members start guessing, and usually none of that works in your favor. That's why strong consultants don't wait too long to communicate. They keep the right people informed at the right moments with the right level of clarity. You see, good communication is not about flooding people with updates. It's about making sure that people who need to know something actually know it in time to act on it. When communication is strong, trust grows. People feel informed, decisions move faster, risks surface earlier, and surprises go down. When communication is weak, confusion grows, rework increases, tensions build, and people start questioning whether the team is really in control. One of the biggest mistakes consultants make is holding updates too long because they want everything perfectly buttoned down before they speak. You know, that sounds disciplined, but often it creates more risk. If a deadline is at risk, say it early. If a dependency is blocking progress, say it early. If the client needs to make a decision, say it clearly. If the team is aligned in making progress, communicate that too. People do better when they know where things stand. Strong consultants learn how much to communicate, when to communicate, and to whom. They understand that different stakeholders need different levels of details. An executive may need the headline and the implication. A work stream lead may need the specifics and the action plan. Communication is not just about sending information, it's about creating clarity. This week, don't let a communication gap create unnecessary noise. Speak early, speak clearly, keep people informed before assumptions take over. Here's your call to action. Look at your current projects and identify one stakeholder who needs a clearer update this week. Send it before they have to come and ask you for it. Let's have a strong week.